Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make an explosion box. I made this template and you can find the link for it down below. So here is the big one with hearts on the side. This one is if you want to add another piece in the middle, and here are two different lids you can choose for your box. I like this one with the heart, so I'm going to select the one without a heart and hide it. Next I'm going to select Make It. And since I'm using 8.5 by 11 paper, I'm going to change this to letter. That way it won't cut. I'm not cutting this on 12 by 12 cardstock. Instead I have 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and I'll link the ones that I'm using down below. But I want to change this, otherwise it's going to be too big and it'll get cut off. So I'm going to change this to 8.5 by 11, and I'll rearrange my mats so that they fit. I set the machine to cardstock. Since I'll need to fold the paper, I'm going to use my scoring tool, so it looks something like this. This is not sharp at all, and I'm going to load it into clamp A. I just removed all of the pieces from the mat, so here they are. I'm going to start with the lid. So if you have a scoring tool, you'll see these little lines here and you can fold up there. Makes it really easy. When you're done folding, you'll have to cut a little piece. So I'm just cutting up this to make it a slit. Don't cut off that one as well. So I'm just cutting right here. And it doesn't matter which one you cut, as long as you cut one of the sides. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some of this AdTech crafter's tape, and this is the top. So if I fold it down, it would look like this. And I'm gonna put some tape on these four corners. This is like double-sided tape that's a little easier to use. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold in one of the corners and tuck it in under the other. So then you'll get a corner like this. So again, I'm folding it down and then tucking it in while also folding up that side. Hopefully this makes sense. So I'm gonna tuck this corner in, fold this side up, and tuck this corner in and this side up. So then here is our lid. Now here is our big piece. I'm gonna go ahead and fold all of the lines where it was scored. And don't forget to also fold where the hearts are. Okay, so this is what it'll look like once it's open. And if you wanted, you could include a little piece. So this is the one without the hearts. I'm gonna fold this one up as well. And on the bottom here, I'm gonna add some of my double-sided tape. And then we're gonna put it right in the middle of this one. So then we're creating like little flaps here so that you can write or add pictures to these. So I would write and decorate this however you want. And then when you're done, you're gonna fold this up. Make sure the hearts are on the inside, like this. And then we're gonna put on the lid. So I like starting at the corner. Hopefully you can kind of see this. And then just lining up the corners and putting them inside. So then here's the box, all closed up, and then once you open it, it'll open up. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.